Hey, if you've got some mobile data issues on your Google Pixel 10 Pro, let me show you a few tips how you can try to fix them. So go to the settings at the first, go to the network and internet, and open internet section. Now the most easy way, just click on the right upper corner on this button and it's gonna reset your internet. So it will include Wi-Fi, but also your mobile data. Next, we have to go back from this one, go into your SIM cards. First of all, just make sure that you turn on mobile data over here, but also that your SIM card is turned on. Sometimes when you replace the SIM cards, then it may be turned off. Next, open your SIM card settings, and if you are actually in some trip outside your country, then make sure that you have turned on roaming, because sometimes it's not gonna allow you to use mobile data when you are traveling. Next, you can also try to switch the preferred network type between the LTE and the 5G and check if it's gonna help you. But also you can go here for the data warning limit and make sure that you have turned off both of the features. So data warning and data limit. Now, when you go back from this one, you can additionally turn on and turn off this function to automatically select network. And by going back from this one, we have to go for the mobile data saver and simply make sure that you have turned it off. But also make sure that you are not using the airplane mode. And now, when it is still not working, you can try to go all the way down, or maybe not all the way down. Go to the system settings. Now you will have to go for reset options and make sure that you have tried to reset your mobile network settings. And if it is still not working, then you can simply try to restart your phone by clicking here and selecting restart. If it is still not working, then I will actually contact your service provider, or maybe try to replace that SIM card, or maybe try to test that SIM card in some other devices if you've got this issue with the SIM card. So that's all my tips. Let me know if it works. Thanks for watching.